me talk. I went out. When I came back, I saw more than 50 shares. So I came here. I asked the sniper. I said, I take God beg you. What did they happen? Why did they share me this sky life? You understand? That was why I came here. You understand? See, it was yesterday. Even yesterday, we thought this thing for Ayamika life. People dead here. Listen. I said, I get this my chance.
Listen not Bowo.
Listen.
Don't speak when she speak. Anika.
Because somebody called me. I don't care. When you people are talking about your money, don't call my name. Don't call my name.
What you told me.
That's what. The whole word that I said okay.
Let us speak. You talk.
Again.
Repeat yourself. Wise man.
Repeat myself again.
Wait. Repeat yourself. Go on. Repeat yourself. Go on.
I told you, I said 7 8 months ago, I was on a chat when Wise Merit told me that do I know that person called Oluwa Pierce is about
Oluwa Shola.
Is about. I said, are you kidding me? He said yes. That last night when we were at King White page, don't I see that his comment? I said, I've been supporting that guy because he normally come after people while they are fighting on Parano's page. He said he now sent me. Wise Mary, you sent me evidence of the guy being Timumi. Do you understand? You send me photos of you recording him on Wumi's page, cursing on We Team Justice. And I said, oh my God,
Wait, let her narrate. She's driving somewhere. Go on.
See, babe, let's solve issues here. He who
Emma Solo.
So
yes, she can confirm what you're saying.
Yes.
Go on.
So she now said he DM'd her that he liked the way she is fighting. He now told her that he wants to buy her phone. He wants to buy her phone, and she sent him an account number. He put money for the phone, and she blocked him. I said that is good. Avoid him. See?
Okay, wait. Okay, Wise man, why did you block PS? Explain to us. Go on.
I remember I'm not the only one on that chat though. That's your girlfriend did that chat.
Amika, so everything you have been saying about Baba,
did you ever block
anybody that is believing I am Amika already? Okay, let me say something. TSL, please wait. TSL, please wait.
He give you money for phone. He don't give you money for phone.
He don't give me money for phone. I don't even know who na dey talk about. If you give me my poster now, we will give you money for phone. Why una go dey lie? Okay, Papayano, let me talk. Papayano, do you know this man called Gbs? I don't know his name. Do you know Shezi? Do you know Shezi?
Yes.
I did not collect money from him, but let me talk. What I told Ayamika is that that something happened in my life one day that that I'm even surprised. You understand? There is this one that asked me to use my card to buy coin for him. You understand? So I buy that coin. It's not even from justice. So now outside that, say I be the second even before I join all these things. So that man now came. My account was on private. It was that time that Bolibi was insulting me, all those kind of things. You understand? Not private my account because of my pictures. So I now want to send that coin. I now try to buy the coin with my card for the man. It doesn't work because the man is in UK. And I tell him that okay, now no problem. Let me buy that coin to my own account. I will use it to give you as goodie bag. Everyone want to know what is goodie bag. You understand? Unless if you are not familiar with this app. So in the process, so when you know, because I put my account on private, goodie bag will not work. You understand? So we were there talking that day. Then Chelsea now come in, and so Chelsea was there asking me that what was the problem, and I said I bought a coin for someone that I want to put it as goodie bag, because if I send it direct, TikTok is going to take half, and they are still going to give me the host out of it. You understand? So and I don't know how to do it. Chelsea now asked me that how many is the coins? Do you understand, Papayano? So and I told him that is how many K coin? Is it 4K coin or something like that? Chelsea now sent 2 baby lions to that man. Chelsea sent 2 baby lions to that man. You understand? If you think I'm lying, if you have his number, you can call him. I was now happy. I mean, is not there. This was the wrong story. I don't
stick behind. I don't have his number.
No, okay, but you can see, he can come up, you understand? So I was not happy. I know too that I was not there. Me no me share the mo se sọ fún pé mo ní Ọlọ́run ṣeun o, mo ní èmi tí mo tẹ̀ fẹ́ ra fún tẹ́lẹ̀ pé owó tó yẹ kí n send sí máa yẹn, you understand? Wípé owó tó yẹ kí n send sí máa yẹn pé màá lọ fi ra fóònù. Náà ní sọ lórí burúkú kan ṣe some abeg Papayano, thank God say praise dey life. See, òkú ni wọ́n parọ́ mọ́, everybody mọ praise. Àwọn tó bá ti súnmọ́ praise, ẹ bá mi béèrè lọ́wọ́ praise báyọ̀ ra fóònù fún mi. Ṣọ̀rọ̀ tàbí kò tọ́? Ayé ẹ̀ lábàjẹ́, praise kò sẹ́sì, praise ò lè sọ pé ọ̀rẹ́ ká tí mo bá mi rí.
And your friend was on that call.
Oh, don't mind this thing. What kind of stupid friend is this? You cannot even ask me.
You both patient, please. Wait. Let me come between, please. Okay. I think there was an issue of phone. There was an issue of Wise Married being gifted, and Wise Married needed the phone, and Wise Married got a phone. But now there's a confusion. There's a confusion between who is this person who gifted Wise Married. Is it Sheikh Zin, which is the man who do send lion on my platform?
It was not me that he gifted. It was not me that he gifted. It was not me that he gifted. He gifted to that guy, yo. Papayano, wait. Papayano, wait. Okulang paromo. Let me talk. Papayano, Okulang paromo. Shebi press you one in life, Abi. Let me talk, Jare. You over drag me wá sí kíní gbogbo dáadáa tẹ́ ń ṣe ẹ̀yin oníranù ẹ̀yin oníjẹkújẹ yìí. Papayano, wait. Papayano, ṣé mọ̀ pé ó ní àwọn èèyàn tí press ń sọ fún wípé òun fún àwọn èèyàn lówó. Ẹ má jà náà gbogbo kíní ò fa argument. Tó bá yẹ pé tòótọ́ báyọ̀ ra fún àbí kò rà fún dé kó sọ fún yín náà. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ṣé ẹ mọ̀ gé kan báyìí tán pè ní gold. Wọ́n pè ní gold àbí kí tẹ̀ lórúkọ ẹ̀. Gẹ́gẹ́ gan ta fóònù. Thank God. Ask that girl will tell you. The girl know about the phone. Ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ ra fóònù gẹ́gẹ́ yẹn mọ̀ sí. Òun gan ni mo fẹ́ fún lówó kó bá mi sẹ́ndì fóònù yẹn látàkùrẹ́. Ìgbà tí mo wá wò pé a ti jìnnà. Bí mo ṣe sọ fọ́kàn mi nìyẹn pé mo ní oyè báyìí o. Ẹ bá mi áàdì sí kó sẹ́ndì fóònù sí mi. Eléyìí tó ti gbọ́ ni o pé wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ fóònù o. Mi sọ pé ẹ bá mi béèrè lọ́wọ́ pírẹ́sì báyọ̀ fún mi £1 rí.
Wait, let us get it back again. According to your explanation, okay, you said that
I'm coming.
You got the money from who? Through who?
I did not even get any money. You don't understand what I said. I said someone sent me coin.
Please take it back. Please start. Okay.
I said someone asked me to buy coin. You understand? So my account was on private. It was not that I even called that guy, yo. Papayano ṣe mọ̀ pé guy máa fún yàn ní lion ṣeré ni guy tá sọ yìí. Ó wá sí live mi. Ó wá béèrè pé so èmi àti guy yẹn á sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́. Mo wá sọ pé mi ò ní lè send a goodie bag. Pé torí account mi wà on private, you understand? Mo wá ní kó yẹ kí n lọ live, mo ní kó yẹ kí n lọ offline. Kí n padà wá pé màá ti wá gbé account mi sí báwo lẹ ṣe máa ń pè, màá ti yọ kúrò ní private, màá lè lo goodie bag, you understand? Anybody try ẹ̀ náà understand nǹkan tí mò ń sọ. So bí mo ṣe wá ní kí n lọ offline, ṣé gun lẹ́ ń pè mí tẹ̀ mọ́. Ó wá ní WhatsApp. Mo wá ní mo máa báyọ̀ ra coin ní oyè yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo ní pé mo báyọ̀ ra coin lákàntì mi. Papayano, if you think I'm lying, I can do screenshot.
Just wait. Tale bara coin.
Any go see the justice for Mohbad. Kilo shaking it. Any you see justice for Mohbad.
Just take it easy. Just take it easy. Okay. Any yen sanwo fun yin ke fi ba won ra coin abi.
Yes.
See TikTok. Okay. So nisin wa le ri wa ri coin yen ra account yin abi ba.
I bought the coin, you understand? Mo ra coin, ki se mi o ri ra sí account ti e. Ó wá ní pé ṣé tí n bá ra ó ní ṣé mo lè fún, mo wá ní mo lè fún. Ṣé rí coin tá ń sọ yìí báyìí, mo ti lò. In fact, ó sì kù 3,000 plus l'account mi, mo lè screenshot ẹ kí n fi sórí kíní báyìí kẹ́ rí. You understand? So ìgbà tí mi wá lá tí mo wá sọ pé okay, mo ní bá ṣe máa ṣe mo ní bọ̀ tó máa take time ó yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo ní mo máa fi ṣe goodie bag fún ni ó yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀. So ìgbà tí mo dé wá lọ live account bí wà private. Ọmọ yín ká èyí ó máa wá síbẹ̀ nígbà yẹn tí màmá bá àwọn èèyàn pé ẹ má gbé coin yẹn, coin mi kan ni o. Ẹ má gbé coin yẹn ṣe ni mo ṣe business o, you understand? So ọjọ́ yẹn account mi wá wà private mi wá ráyè fún máa yẹn. Mo wá sọ fún pé okay, let me go down and come back. Let me go and remove my account from private so that I will be able to give you. So that guy now came in. You understand? The guy now came in. He was like, what's going on here? I said, I wanted to give somebody coin, but I could not put it in goodie bag. Teba try your boss. Anybody lo le gbe, they block everybody. Láyé ni. Understand? But goodie bag, teba lo goodie bag. Teba ti le sọ pé kí ẹni yẹn ṣe I, tó bá ti ṣe I, tell for comment section. Do you know Papayano? That's the only person that will carry it. And you will have access to block anybody that say I. So that was what I wanted to do. Then when that guy comes in, he was like, what is going on? Mo wá ṣàlàyé fún pé mo ma ti jẹ gbèsè, mo ti bá yàn ra coin o, pé wọ́n sọ pé mo fi account mi sí private, pé mi ò ní lè fún ẹni yẹn, pé mo fẹ́ lọ offline kí n wá padà wá. The guy now said, how many is the coin? You understand? He was like, how many is the coin? Mo wá sọ fún pé oye báyìí ni. Ó wá ní pé ṣé tóun bá drop 2 láyọ̀ oníṣó máa tó mọ nǹkan tó kọ́kọ́ wá sórí mi gan bó ṣe sọ pé kò drop 2 láyọ̀ yẹn mo ní wọ́n ìtàṣe máa waste owó bó ṣe ṣe ní kí lọ́ra lọ ṣe refund pé TikTok máa take half kan yìí ó ní pé kí n má worry mi ò tẹ́lẹ̀ mi tọ́ jáde ìwọ lọ́fọ̀ọ́fọ́ òṣì yìí ìwọ tó lọ sí Àbújá tó lọ rí rí.
Amika, wait, let us. No. I was
I know even they like all this kind of thing. Wait, Papayano make I talk.
Amika.
Now wait, you understand? So the man now sent 2 baby lion. The man now sent 2 baby lion. Wait, now Papayano. The man sent 2 baby lion to that guy. He asked the guy that go offline, go and check if your coin has complete. The guy said no. He sent Galaxy. He said no. Ṣé mo pé UK ni máa yẹn wà? Ẹ mọ̀ pé exchange ẹ mọ̀ pé àwa ta wà ní Nàìjíríà. Tá bá fẹ́ ṣe exchange coin wa, ẹ mọ̀ pé a máa VPN la máa lò. Tá máa fi change ẹ̀ oyè yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So wọ́n lè fún wa nígbà yẹn ò ní Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n máa fún wa ní coin wa tá bá lè mọ̀. Oríṣiríṣi country ló depend lérí country. Tẹ́ lè change coin báyìí ní Germany. Instead tó yẹ kó fi fún yín ní 500, kó fi fún yín ní 480. So máa yẹn wá lọ lo ti UK fi change ẹ̀. Ó wá ń já wọ́n sọ pé tó bá yẹ pé Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n ní wọ́n ti change ẹ̀ àti high. So ìgbà tí coin yẹn wá pé ni máa yẹn ṣe wá sọ fún wa pé ó ti pé. Mi ṣe sọ pé am I free to go? And he left. I don't even know the guy. He did not even send him my account number. Then what are we saying? Inú mi dẹ̀ dùn mo bá àǹtí mo ní pé orí kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní live mi lẹ́ni ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ó tẹ̀ wá kápásì gan ni mo wá ní èmi tí mo ṣe sọ pé mo fẹ́ ra fún mo ní pé wọ́n ti bá mi san owó mo ní wọ́n ti bá mi fún ẹni tó yẹ kí tó fún mi lówó kí fi ra coin wọ́n ti bá mi fún ní coin. You see, my plan is even that if I even see anybody that still want to buy, I will sell the coin. But I could not even sell the coin. The coin is even still on my account. That same coin o owó yẹn ló wá jẹ́ tèmi ẹjọ́ kí wọ́n lè bí mi o ẹjọ́ Papayano ṣe ní nọ́mbà press ẹ bá mi pe press o press ìbọn síta o wá gbà káàtì mi àti ẹ síta.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let me appreciate that. Thank you so much. Aminka has to speak.
You continue like this. That good man will dump you. He will dump you. You are a bloody liar. Idiot.
Mary, stop that now. What is that to do with her father?
Hello, Emi o mo story to gbe sílẹ̀ yìí o.
Maybe it's my father.
You will dump him. I know what I'm saying. What kind of rubbish is this? How will you lie on me when I'm even alive?
On that call, she called me that day. She called me that day. That her friend, that Edo girl from Germany, was on that call. So if she said I am lying, it's between she and her God. But I don't know all this. What she just said now, I don't know about it. Me or body. All she told me is that and that midnight we were on that man's white space. Where they were discussing on how to bring mood out, and in the morning, she called me. She called me. So I sent her my number. Right? She called me, and we begin to talk. Okay, and her friend, a dog girl from Germany, was on that call. You understand? So Emi o Gbos ti Shexy abi Shexy kan rí. Meanwhile, another thing, Emi o láṣìírí kankan tẹfẹtẹfẹ too, because I played neutral on this process of Mohbad. Tó bá láṣìírí ni tú jáde.
Now wait, Amika, did she ever? Has there ever been a time where she spoke about somebody gifting her lion?
Nothing like me. I need your watch and buy you.
Moderator, don't bring anybody up. Don't bring anybody up.
I swear with my
so what you're trying to say?
See, I did not see this morning. Just wait. But I know you were sleeping this morning when that topic come up, okay? And I said, let me use my friend.
Listen. Okay, listen. 1 minute. So what happened here is this. Just please get this straight. What happened here is this, okay? And I think you should apologize, okay? And let us start it like this. Pierce never sent money to Wise Merit. There is so far no evidence from anybody anywhere where Pierce.
I swear with my life. He sent me the conversation. He sent it to me.
Please wait. Okay. One, what we can deduce from here is that at the time, Wise Merit don't even know who is Pierce. Okay, because Wise Merit was thinking Pierce is Abati. True or false? Hello, Amika. Can you hear me?
That was the same thing I said. I said it earlier now.
Just wait. Amika, no, wait. Don't say it. Just relax. Just calm down. Let's try to drive to the point, okay? Well, Wise Merit don't even know who Pierce was or who Pierce is. Okay, so there's possibility of misunderstanding, and a very big misunderstanding here. Somebody who doesn't even know who is PS, you understand, cannot give you an emphatic statement. That is a confidential statement, or maybe a highly true statement about PS, because this person doesn't even know PS. So now let us put PS out of the equation, because this person doesn't even know PS. So this person might have talked about phone, okay, to you. So maybe you didn't hear very well. Just wait.
Even last night. Remind me of this same thing last night in my page.
Just wait.
How will it be a mistake?
Amika, wait. Wise Merit don't know Pierce. Wise Merit think that Pierce is Abati, and Wise Merit told you that. And right now, we are beginning to see that Pierce is not even about it. Pierce is a different person, okay? But Wise Merit do agree that there was a conversation which she had with you, and that is about how she was about to buy phone and how coins was sent to her.
Let me ask you, Paparano, please, don't twist this thing for me. I want us to be transparent, as we have said we are transparent.
All right.
On this page, okay, let me now ask you. Did I know?
Let's do this way. I'm taking her position. I have heard everything she said.
Okay.
I've heard everything she said, and I'm taking her position.
Okay, good.
Now, I'm defending her, okay? And
yes,
know how we look at it.
Defend her.
Moderator, I'm going to remove that moderator. Don't bring Wise Merit up. Don't bring her up. She's not going to be part of this. Take her down. Which moderator brings this person up? I said, don't bring anybody up. You guys keep bringing people up. Remove this moderator from me, I beg. I want to block them now.
Paparano, let me say this thing, right? Who is Oludayo PS in the past? That was in the past. Who is Oludayo PS?
Oludayo PS was never about him. He's his own person. We don't know him. Me, I don't even know him, but he's a different person.
Oludayo PS is this man. Oluwashola. Yes. PS is this same man that later turned his name to
They call Ghost.
Yeah, he turned his name to Ghost. Then he later become what he's bearing now, right? Okay. I did not know about Shegzi. I'm coming. I didn't know about Shegzi. I didn't know about coin. Trust me. I am telling you. See, I didn't mean to say this. I used her as a case study because I feel like she wanted to bring the topic last night on my show. She said, "Auntie, should I tell you about this guy? Some time ago." She said it. She told me last night. Why trying to turn the whole thing to the on top this matter? Why? Why? I use her as
don't
a
forget
case
that
study.
wait. Amika, wait. Pierce was live on Aristocrat Live, as they said. I don't know, but they said he was live on Aristocrat Live and he was on video. Okay?
Then?
And I think we have seen Abati. We know who Abati is, and then now we know who Pierce is.
Papa, no, I'm talking about 7-8 months ago. And of course, for me to still maintain my word, you should know that I'm not. I know what I'm saying. She can deny it right now. You can deny it right now.
Amika, please, Amika, wait, listen. It's very simple. There's a misunderstanding here. You never knew that she was talking about sexy. Okay, but now that you know, I think you should apologize. Pierce has never come out. Most of you don't know who Pierce is at the time, so it's possible for this misunderstanding to happen. Pierce has never said anywhere that he sent money to Wise Marriage, and God Protection, who was even talking about this, has never said anywhere that they sent money to Wise Marriage. The first person that is saying this is you, you don't even know who PS is. You have never chatted with PS, okay? Even the God Protection has never even chatted you, okay? So you think that you have your own evidence from the conversation you have with Wise Marriage, and Wise Marriage is here right now, is clarifying that is not what happened, and has even given the story in a very convincing way and more elaborative. So I think you should apologize to her, and you should not say this again. Can you do that? I mean, now that you know the truth, she has made it clear. Can you apologize to her?
I still don't know the truth. I still don't know the truth. But I know, yes, Amika, I will apologize.
Wait,
okay?
No, wait.
Why is married? Why is married? I'm apologizing because I never knew what you were talking about.
No, please wait. Don't disrespect her. Don't do that, okay? And don't take this for granted. Don't do that, okay? Be lovely. Just relax, okay? You're saying what you said earlier. A lot of people were thinking that was the case, okay? It's really did, okay, let me not make her over feel pained, okay? I will not use some certain words so that she doesn't over reason it like that, okay? Respect her and kindly apologize. What you said about her was not correct, and she has given the full information, so apologize to Wise Marriage, and let's move on from
it. I apologize, but you will let me say something. I will apologize, but you will let me say something.
Wait. You're not gonna say anything.
That's gonna make you look right.
No, please, no. Just wait. No. Don't go there. Wait.
Okay.
Wait. No.
Wise married.
No. Wait. Just wait. Amika, wait.
I'm sorry.
No. Wait. No. Don't say sorry. Just
for saying what I said.
No.
Okay. I didn't mean.
You have to wait. You have to wait. No. Wait. Just wait. Wait. Amika, wait. You have to wait. Just relax. Yes, just wait. Okay, we're not joking.
Respect marital life. Social media. Nobody can be controlling you to be telling me that
I can think criminally.
The man will dump you. The man will leave you. Because your common sense is so low. Your thinking faculty is so low. You don't listen to people. You always listen to the wrong person.
Just wait. Listen, please, listen.
How can somebody telling me my husband will leave me because of ẹjọ́ tó ń rò fún àwọn èèyàn nípa ọkọ ẹ? Tó bá máa rojọ́, tó bá máa sọ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé ẹ síta, how can somebody tí ò lọ́kọ lé máa sọ fún ẹ pé wọ́n máa fọkọ ẹ sí pọ́kọ̀ yẹn máa fi ẹ́ lẹ̀lẹ̀? Kí làbúrò máa rìn kiri bí ìgbóná? Àwọn rìn ká lórí social media. See the way they are disgracing you and mo. Níbi ẹjọ́ àpọ̀jù. Ẹjọ́ bá ti pọ̀jù náà wàhálà ni. Tí ẹ dúpẹ́. Níbo tó bá ti ṣe gbáragbára máa kí n ra dé lórí ọwọ́ mi kò sí tó pọ̀. Níbo pé wrong person lẹ́ máa àwọn wrong person lẹ́ máa advice. Nígbà tẹ́ni tí ò bá lọ́kọ lé bá advice yẹ. Wrongly lórí ọkọ tó ní. Èmi tí ń lọ́kọ lé sí mi ilé ẹ̀bà ayé advice ẹni tó lọ́kọ lé. Láti lè máa pọkọ rẹ̀ ń wèrè máa sọ orí burúkú sọ́kọ rẹ̀ máa sọ pé báyìí ló lè ṣe fọ́kọ ẹ̀. Tó bá sọ nípa ọkọ ẹ̀ máa tún advice ẹni bí o ṣe lè ṣe pẹ̀ kódà ìwọ ni màá tún bú lójú ọkọ ẹ̀ bó tilẹ̀ pé màá padà advice ẹni kọ̀rọ̀.
And now this woman is here to clarify the story
so
to
that
make it even more clear.
Kó lè treat your right. Màá dé advice òun náà.
When Pierce himself said,
abẹ́ ìgbọ́rọ̀ tó sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan ni ó ní dìímà ó ń repeat ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tó ẹ̀mẹ̀rin. That man will leave the house for you. Tí o bá sí tó gbọ́ báwo ló ṣe máa sọ statement yẹn lẹ́nu. Ṣáyé ò ní ta sórí social media. Ó ń pè lórí jẹkújẹ, ó ń pè lórí ilé, ó ń pè ní gbogbo ẹ̀. Ìyàwó ilé married woman. Kò sí ẹ̀rí kí ló ń porúkọ mẹ́ bó ṣe kéré tó. Regina Daniel bó ṣe kéré tó fẹ́ bàbá olówó ṣẹ́ni tó máa mú nẹ́ẹ̀sì rẹ̀ káàkiri lórí social media pẹ̀lú àwọn colleagues ẹ̀.
Do you understand that you could have gotten the wrong information because it was a long time ago? And this is more than 5 months or 6 months.
Before you talk, you will ask.
And the same person is still here.
And tó bá dé so sọ̀rọ̀ fún yín lọ́ta yín.
What is wrong with you that you cannot listen?
Ẹ̀yin gan tẹ́ bá rẹ́ni tó ń like èèyàn gan, ẹ̀yin gan máa ń ṣàbòsí lábẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ sí ibi pẹ́ like èèyàn.
Don't do that, please.
Ọ̀tọ̀ ni tẹ́ sọ fẹ́ nìyẹn, ọ̀tọ̀ ni tẹ́ tún lọ sọ fẹ́ nìkejì. Mo mórí èèyàn méjì máa gbára wọn.
Let her apologize to West Mary and let her just stop. Apologize to her and stop and don't even say
anything. Nígbà bá sọ ọ̀tọ̀ lọ́ sọ fẹ́lẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ ni wọ́n sọ fẹ́lẹ̀.
Can
Ó mọ̀ mórí èèyàn méjì wọ́n máa fi lura wọn.
Can you apologize to West Mary?
Ẹ bẹ́ mi táàpù o, ẹ bá ń like ẹ ṣeun.
I think her network is bad.
Hello.
Papariano, can I quickly?
Mother of two. Máa sọ fún mi kó lè ní mi oníjẹkújẹ ní mi.
Papariano,
Ní ìtumọ̀ gbogbo
I am in car call herself a politician. A politician doesn't behave the way she's behaving.
Ó tán.
Hello, a good politician. How you guys like this?
Ṣé ń gbọ́? Ṣé ń gbọ́?
This girl remind me of this thing. She reminded me of 7 months ago last night, and now she said she.
Okay, Ayamika, calm down.
It is well.
Can I say something? Calm down. Ayamika, calm down. Calm down. I want to say something.
Olóòótọ́ olùkúkú ló sì kàrí. I warn her several times to be careful.
Say something now.
Respect your lane. Respect yourself. Respect your lane.
Don't say anything.
But wọ́n máa ní kẹ́ wà careful fáwa náà. Kẹ́ ṣọ́ra fún wa. More down low.
That's wrong.
Ó advice wrongly ni o.
She has taken her time to explain what happened.
Téèyàn bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ èèyàn tó bá rẹ́ni tó bá like tí wọ́n bá ń yẹ̀yẹ́ tàbí tó máa ń disgrace ààrẹ èèyàn máa rí bákàbákà. How can somebody tell me my husband will leave me? Ayé ẹni ò ní bàjẹ́ síbẹ̀ pé kí ló mí?
Please, I'm sorry.
Kí ló mí tó fi sọ statement yẹn? Sóun pọkọ mi ni, sóun bà mí jẹ́ fọkọ mi ni.
I may not have heard it well.
Wàhálà mi ni apologize ọ̀tún tó bá sọ tinú ẹ̀ jáde.
Case as an example up here this morning. I never mean to hurt you, but I only use it as a case study, which I feel like it's bad from your side. You get? So I'm sorry. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, can I say something?
Go down and no. It's okay.
It's not okay. There's no need to say anything.
Conversation. Wait. Come up, Wise Merit. Let's bring up Wise Merit now. Wise Merit, send request, come up. And then you're going to address your point right now. Yinkade has did the needful. That is for you right now to do the needful. Yinkade has did the needful. Hello, Wise Merit. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Please, Papa, I want to say something, please. I want to say something.
So, yeah, wait. Okay, wait. Before you don't know, just wait. Before you speak on. First of all, on behalf of everybody, the things that we said here this morning, we mentioned Wise Merit name. I think I also mentioned her name as well. We withdraw that statement. PS never send money to Wise Merit. Wise Merit don't take money from people. She's a very good person. This that people have said to just, rubbish at this morning. It never happened, and nobody should say those things as real unless anybody that want trouble and expect her to give you trouble back. Okay, if you really want trouble, say what is wrong about people, and they're gonna give you trouble. So, I mean, basically that is just it. Okay, so and I want you to also not hold it against her. That's her own mistakes, and I know Amnikade. I mean, I think sometimes she forget things. Okay, I've noticed that sometimes from her, and that's why when I speak to her, I do try to calm down a lot. She's a very passionate person. She's passionate about the things that she says. Okay, even when she's wrong, sometimes I've seen her being passionate about the things that she's saying and that she does. And that is why most times I try to say, calm down, just relax. Or I try to let her speak so that after she says her things, and then I will try to see how we can come in between and find some balance, okay? So what she said, because Aduke herself was defending you so badly, and I said, no, only you have to defend yourself. And thank God that you came and you made it so simple. Okay, you made it very simple by explaining what really happened. And I mean, so yeah, let's just give it the floor. Say whatever you want to say right now. I mean, just to please yourself.
Thank you. Thank you, Papayano.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What happened is that me, I do go to, it's not everybody's live stream I used to go to, you understand? But sometimes I do see things, you understand? I do see things.
Yeah.
I think there was a time I told you here that I do talk, there was a time, then anytime you talk, you see something that will help this justice. And the way you say it, I will tell you that Papayan where they jaw, like I do beg you that why don't you talk to Baba? Me, till today, I'm still thanking God that I'm this kind of person that know how to seal my mouth. Me and Baba do talk, you understand? We talk a lot. I'm this kind of person that even though I have record, I can't give it to anybody that play, lie, you understand? Why? Sorry, let me just say this. What if most of the things I said to Baba or I talk with Baba, I said it to him, can't prove myself right? Is this how it's going to be?
They call him and they're recording him.
For you to know that I don't even know this guy.
One day,
know that
all of you brought it
until
out.
yesterday, I was still telling them that he's Abati. And
Baba
the one that said he has come out with his face. That is not Abati. When the time, okay, the girl that I was supposed to buy that phone from, her name is, she's using gold here. She just stopped coming to justice after she's traveled out. Before that girl, she has a shop in Akure. I messaged her that I want to buy phone. She gave me the prices, you understand? And I asked my husband. Yes, God will bless you. You don't know about all these things. I told you everything. See, let me just tell you one thing.
Aristocrat mentioned the name. I don't know how Aristocrat. I saw the Aristocrat mention the name.
No. Let me quickly remind you. It was the lady that went to...
Juicy, don't let me forget this thing I want to say.
Okay,
Juicy, wait.
Juicy, don't come.
Papayano, Wuro travel abroad. Do you know that this guy tried to get to Wuro? Like, I don't say the physical, like he tried to get to Wuro, that Wuro should tell me that he's not Abati. I should stop calling him Abati. That was the last time that me and Wuro talk. I told Wuro that nobody can stop me from calling that guy Abati. Whenever I see that guy on any live, I will say Abati rest. Even when they still play me this guy video that this is how his face is, I was like, you people are fool. Do you even see? Have you ever seen who is Abati? You've never seen Abati. It can still be the same person.
Guys, is there a way? I know this is gonna be unfair. I know we're gonna lose a lot of people right now. Maybe we're gonna lose even 200 people. I'm very sure we're gonna lose a lot of people. Okay. I don't. Can we? I want to off this live in this account. I'm gonna go live on the other account, Papayano 6. I know we're gonna lose so many people, but this phone, I have to change this phone. It's so hot, and if I don't want to damage this phone, okay, it's so hot, I have to go live on the other one. Okay, guys, I'm going live on Papayano 6 right now. I'm gonna end it.
We fẹ́ ṣe show tèmi lẹ́nu fún ọ̀rọ̀ tí àwọn information tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá. A fẹ́ analyse show àná yẹn lẹ́nu. We need to analyse it now. We need to analyse it now. Ta ló tún bẹ̀ online? Bọ̀. Òfófó jẹ́ ń gbádùn, òfófó jẹ́ ń gbádùn, òfófó jẹ́ ń gbádùn, òfófó jẹ́ ń gbádùn. Òfófó pọ̀ fún mi, Happy Sunday, everybody. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìjọ mi, hallelujah o. Ọmọ ìjọ mi, hallelujah o. Hallelujah. Ọmọ ìjọ mi, hallelujah. Ọmọ ìjọ mi dá òun rèé lóde gangan. Ọmọ ìjọ mi dá òun rèé lóde gangan. Ẹ lè kí mi. Ní pé happy Sunday to me. Abẹ́bà yín gbé talé àná wá ká wá fọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀. Thank you. Monthly. Okay. £1,190 for provide. Kílódé? You are saving 2 kilo ṣẹlẹ̀. Owó ìpọ̀. £14,000. You are saving kilo ṣẹlẹ̀. Lóṣù kan péré fún verification. Owó ìpọ̀ òbò ní TV. Owó ìmọ̀ pọ̀. Owó ìpọ̀ fún provide lásán. Fún verification. One provide 17. Ta ni ó mọ̀ san? Gba ni ó ti rí. Yearly discount. Owó ìpọ̀ o. Ibo ní ti rí. Ta ni ó mọ̀ bá ń san verify. Wọ́n ní verify account mi. Wọ́n ní verify tẹ́ni ọmọ ológo. Kí n verify page mi. Where can I get the money? Where can I get the money for months? Kí n máa san 1,000. Be up to 50,000 plus. Àbí? Àṣemọ̀ ni mò ń sọ. £1,000. Àṣemọ̀ ni mò ń sọ. Mo ní 50,000 naira. Wait, Paul. We will send you reminder 7 days before into price end. Abi? Wait, Paul. Start today. Start November 3. Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wà o? Ẹlẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ o ṣe wà o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sórí ètò. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bọ́ sórí ètò. Mo mọ̀ pé revision lọ. Mo mọ̀ pé kò sí register. Ó ti sọ ní last week náà. Mi fẹ́ máa wá everyday money. Mi máa wá lọ́la. Ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́ra gbogbo lé ńkọ́. Àdúrà wa ó gbà láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Àti pé òtútù mo tó ń wúkọ́, mo ń jákọ́. I'm wúkọ́s, mo ń wúkọ́s. Thank you. Ember, ẹ jẹ́ kí n hand the life ilé kí n padà wá ṣẹ́gun.